Alright, what up everybody, Ryan G25FL here. Brought out a box of Federals, hollow points, 40 grain. The velocity is 1430 foot per second. It's a 31 grain copper bladed hollow point. And this is my first time ever shooting these hollow points ever before. The blue box and the red box are 1240 foot per second, but the red box is the Walmart one, and the blue is the Dunham's name brand that I buy from. So we're gonna pop off 5 rounds here and see how they are. Just remember, nice and shiny. Feel about the same as the CCIs, but these got a little bit more of a kick than these others do. Clean burning propellant. The CCI blazers burn your eyes, but this Federal stuff, it don't do that. These are some nice, healthy rounds. Anyway, that is me shooting the Federals, 31 grain solid hollow point, copper plated hollow point. If you have any questions about this ammo, please let me know. Later.